Hello guys, welcome to another video of Learn Mathematics and Sciences. So I'll continue with our exercise. I hope to rush everything today because I want us to finish with the exercise and we can go to the remaining laws of indices. So let me take this one off the board. I'd like to rush the remaining questions. So I start from question 9, which is just 2 raised to power 0. So this one we are going to be using rule 3, which is rule 3, if you remember, says x raised to power 0 is equal to 1 provided x is not equals to 0. So in this, x, which is 2, is not equals to 0. So our answer is 2 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So let's do number 10. We have to multiply 6 times z raised to power 0. So using this same rule 3, we know that anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1 provided the number is not equals to 0. So we have 6 times 1. Z raised to power 0 is 1. 6 times 1. So our answer is equal to 6. So number 11 says 4 raised to power minus 3. So remember rule 4. 4 says x raised to power minus a is equal to 1 over x raised to power a. So in this case we have 4 raised to power minus 3 is equal to 1 over 4 raised to power 3. So we might leave it like this, or to do it well, we have 4 raised to power 3 is 4 times 4, which is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. So we have 1 over 64. That's our final answer. So let's go to number 12. Question number 12 is 3 raised to power x minus 3. We are going to use the same rule. In this case now we have 3 separate. Let's put it very well, or let's write the rule. Rule 4, which is x raised to power minus a equals to 1 over x raised to power a. So we have 3 multiplied by 1 over x raised to power 3. So this is going to give us 3 over x raised to power 3, and that is our final answer. So let's do number 13. Number 13 is 1 minus 4 raised to power minus 2. The question states is 1 minus 4 raised to power minus 2. We're going to use the same rule 4, which is x raised to power minus a equals to 1 over x raised to power a. Applying it, let's assume that all these ones are just a single number. So we can just say 1 minus 4 over minus raised to power minus 2 will give us 1 over 1 minus 4, everything raised to power 2. So this number 1 minus 4 will give us 1 over minus 3 square. So 1 minus this, if you square minus 3 times minus 3 is going to give us 9. So our answer is 1 over 9. That is the answer. So number 14 is 2 minus 3 raised to power minus 1. So using the same rule, rule 1, which is rule 4, which is x raised to power a equals to 1 over x raised to power a. So this will give us 1 over 2 minus 3 raised to power 1. So our answer here is raised to power, but there's no need to put raised to power 1. So we have 1 over minus 1. So our answer becomes 1 over minus 1 is equal to minus 1. That is the answer for number 14. Let me quickly take this out of the board. I hope you have copied or we understand it, so you can go through them. Let's go to number 15. Number 15. Number 15 says x raised to power 3 divided by x raised to power minus 5. So this is a combination of rule. So we don't even need to apply different rule. We can just use rule 2, which is x raised to power a divided by b x raised to power b equals to x raised to power a minus b. So in this case we have x raised to power 3 divided by x raised to power minus 5 equals to x raised to power 3 minus, this is minus 5. So in this case we have minus times minus will give us plus, x raised to power 3 plus 5. So at the end of the day we have x raised to power 3 minus 3 plus 5 will give us 8. So our answer is x raised to power 8. Let's go to number 16. Number 16 is a raised to power 9 divided by b raised to power 0. So we use rule 3, which is anything raised to power. Let me write it very well. Rule 3, which is x raised to power 0 equals to 1 provided that x is not equals to 0. So you have a raised to power minus 9 divided by b raised to power 0 equals to a. Remember that this rule says so we have 1 over a raised to power 9, everything divided by this one that is raised to power 0 will give us 1. So divide any number by 1, it's going to give you the same number. So our final answer is 1 over a raised to power 9. So that is the final answer for number 16. So let me do number 17 here. Number 17 is 3x all raised to power minus 3. So what we do first is to apply our rule 4. Rule 4, which says x raised to power minus a equals to 1 over x raised to power a. So this will just give us, therefore we have 3x raised to power minus 3 to give us 1 over 3x raised to power 3. So you can distribute this one on this. So we have 1 over 3 raised to power 3 x raised to power 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So our answer will now be 1 over 27x raised to power 3. That is the answer for number 17. So I want to rush and make sure we finish this question in this video. So from next video we'll continue with the remaining rules while we take another topic under numerical process. So number 18 is 9 a raised to power minus 5 times 4 raised to power 6. So this will just go, let's apply the rule. We are using rule 1 in this case. So let's just leave it this way so it will be very easy for us. So we have rule 1, which is x raised to power a multiplied by x raised to power b to give us x raised to power a plus b. So let's bring the coefficients together while we say equals to 9 times 4 is 36. Now multiply by a raised to power minus 5 plus 6. So you have 36 times minus 5 plus 6 will give us 1. So raised to power 1. Our final answer is 36a. So that's 18. Let's go to 19. 19 is 5x raised to power 2 multiplied by 4x raised to power 0 multiplied by 2x raised to power minus 6. In this case, we are just going to apply rule 1 straight and solve this question. Rule 1, which is x raised to power a times x raised to power b equals x raised to power a plus b. We all know that by now we have all the coefficients together will give us 5 times 4 times 2 will give us 40. So we have 40x 2 plus 0 minus 6. Are we together? So we have 40x 2 minus 6 will give us minus 4. Let's put this one using the rule 4, which is 40 now multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 over x raised to power 4. So our final answer is 40 over x raised to power 4. So that is the answer. So let's do the last one. Thank you for following with this video. Let's do number 20 and we end this video. 15 times 10 raised to power 4 divided by 3 times 10 raised to power minus 2. So let's apply rule 2. Rule 2, which says, I hope you are seeing it, which says x raised to power a divided by x raised to power b is the same thing as x raised to power a minus b. So if we apply this, we have 15 already divided by 3 will give us 5. So now we have multiplied by 10 raised to power 4 minus 2. So this will give us 5 times 10 raised to power. This will give us 4. Minus times minus will give us plus 2. So we have 5 times 10 raised to power 6. That is our answer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next video, and please subscribe to my channel where you can get more of this teaching. And in the next video we will be going into the remaining 3 rule of indices. From there we can go to another topic. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.